It won't face me, okay? Look at that. Let's look at that. Hey, Ed.
You picture your moose?
She's right here.
There's your dog. Hey, dog.
Hey, doggy.
Hey, Ed.
You know, we used to have some.
I shared that on the phone.
We used to go.
Hey, picture this, Gray. Gray. Get a picture of this.
Yeah. He's done all the way to the ground.
What the light truck come down the road, I run him down.
We got a barn in here.
How long
Three
have you
trees.
had any power?
It's been
35.
about 36 hours. Wait a minute. It's been 34 hours.
Guys, that garbage.
Now maybe only 33.
No, that's garbage.
Now let me zoom in on these birds, show how cold they are.
Where'd it go?
Watch this, Gray. Gray. What's you?
No, you can't do that. See? See?
Here I go, fast downhill.
No, you'll fall. Break yourself.
It's that little.
Greg, what's that wire in the ground?
That's the wire that leads to the fireworks
Look,
stand.
Greg. Look how deep it is underneath there.
Where?
It leads to the fireworks stand. Hey, Greg, now get a picture of that big giant tree. Way over yonder.
Hey, Chevy.
Well, that did car on it.
That is.
What, yeah?
Well, that's the ass.
Come on, Jake.
They're going slow. Can you believe it? Miracles happen.
Showing up.
See there, fools.
Why ain't gonna hurt you?
Oh, give me that icicle. Come here, hurry. Hurry to get this to you. Here, give me that. Take a picture of that green car.
I did. I wanted to get it sliding.
Get me sliding. There you go.
Are you cold?
Unless
Okay.
he's gonna fall and bust your tail. I'm gonna fall and bust my tail.
Come here, Daddy.
You filming?
So this is the next day, huh?
Hey, hey! Hold my hand. Hold my hand. We fall. There we go.
What's the day?
I think the 3rd, ain't it? February the 3rd, 85? Be the right date. Yeah, that's what the paper said. It was the 3rd. We got a paper. Well, let's go to the store.
Daddy?